Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Smartsheet automation for deadline reminders. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the sheet where you want to set up automation. In the top menu, locate the automation option. Click on automation to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Manage Workflows from the options. A new window will open showing your existing workflows. To create a new workflow, click on the Create Workflow button. You will see different workflow types to choose from. Select Alert Someone for reminder notifications. Now, you need to set the trigger for the reminder. Choose when a date is reached from the trigger options. Next, specify the date column that contains the deadlines. Decide how far in advance you want to send the reminder. For example, you can set it to remind you 1 day before the deadline. Now, click on the Add Action button. Select Alert Someone from the Actions menu. In the alert settings, choose the recipients for the reminder. You can enter emails or select users from your Smartsheet team. Craft a message for your reminder. Make sure it is clear and includes any important details about the deadline. Once you finish, click Done to save your alert. Review the workflow settings to ensure everything is set correctly. Finally, click Save to activate your automation. Your Smartsheet automation for deadline reminders is now set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.